So here is a question. We need to find the coordinates of the vertex, x-intercepts, that means x-intercept and y-intercept. And also we have to sketch the function. Now when it comes to the intercepts, I'll just give you a trick for y-intercept and x-intercept. So let us start. Now you can see that this is given in the general form. Now look at the value of a. It is minus 1. So here a equals to minus 1 is negative. That means this is going to be a sad parabola. You can say sad parabola, or you can say the concave down. Now let us try to get the vertex. So first we go for x coordinate of the vertex. The x coordinate of the vertex, if you remember, is given by x equal to minus b over 2a. So we also write down the value of b and c, they will be useful. So here x coordinate of the vertex, as we know, the formula is minus b over 2a. So this is going to be negative of negative 6 upon 2 into negative 1. So that becomes 6 divided by minus 2, that is minus 3. Now remember that this is also going to be the equation of axis of symmetry. Now we got this. This will be useful while making the graph. Now we need the y coordinate of the vertex. To get the y coordinate of the vertex, we have to substitute this value of x in the main function. So minus 3 square, 6 minus 6 into minus 3 minus 8. We do the calculation. So that becomes minus 9 plus 18 minus 8. So y comes out to be 1. Now as it is a sad parabola, so it will have the maximum value. So we first write the vertex, which is going to be minus 3 and 1, and it will have the maximum value. The maximum value is 1. So we have got the coordinates of the vertex, and we have axis of symmetry. We have the maximum value of y. Now we need axis intercepts. That means x intercept and y intercept. Now remember, for any graph, if you want to find the x intercept, we have to put y equal to 0. And if you are looking for y intercept, we have to put x equal to 0. So in this case, the y-intercept would be, if you put x equal to 0, the y-intercept comes out to be minus 8. If you are looking for x-intercept, so you'll have to put y equal to 0. That means you get x minus x square minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. And this minus 8 into minus 1, that becomes plus 8. So we need two factors of plus 8 so that their sum is minus 6. And they can be minus 4 and minus 2. So the factor, we factorize it here. So if you take minus x common, or you can just make everything positive, if you multiply both sides by minus 1, it becomes easier to solve. So the factors are x plus 4 and x plus 2. This implies that x intercepts are minus 4 and minus 2. So we have got all the intercepts. Next thing is to draw the graph of it. So we have to sketch it. Sketch means you should have a general shape which represents all the information. It may not be very accurate, but important components of the graph must be present. So I'll just write down the important parts. Axis of symmetry is -3, x-intercepts are -2 and -4. So we take -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Axis of symmetry is -3. So we first draw the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is generally given by a dotted line. Now its maximum value is 1. So let's say that we have a max point over here. X-intercepts are -2 and -4. We need to highlight all the important points whenever we are sketching the graph. Also, we have found the y-intercept, that was -8. So let's say that this is -8. So we get the graph of the quadratic function.